Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the shape keys for different shapes. Just for example, to make the cone to become a cube. So first I'm going to delete everything. I press A to select all and press delete buttons. Next I'm going to add a mesh, add a cone, then add a mesh, add a cube. So now I want to make the cone to become a cube. I want to create a shape key of the cube for the cone. So now, first I'm going to hide the cube. And then this is the cone. First step, just go to the edit mode. Then, if you press other place, if you press the empty space, you have to press A to select all. Right click, subdivide. Subdivide to just a few layers like this. Or if you undo it, you want to subdivide, maybe you also can just right click, subdivide to see how many faces there. And you can use the loop cut. You can use the loop cut to cut some of it. But for this situation, it is quite difficult, so just right click to subdivide. It is easier. Alright, so now next, just back to the object mode and select your cube. Select your cube to let it in. Next, you click the cone to select the cone, and just go to the modifier, add a modifier of where is it? The string wrap. The string wrap should be not this. The string wrap is here. And then the target surface should be, you click here to choose a cube. And then make sure the cube is smaller. Press S to make it smaller. Smaller than the cone and should be inside the cone. If it is outside of the cone, then if you select the cone, this is on the surface, outside, inside. So for this situation, should be on the surface, and make sure your cube is smaller than the cone, like this. So now you back to the cone. For here, click apply as a shape key. Now I'm going to delete the cube. You just left the cone and check the shape key. It is here, the shape key. You can see if you drag it, it will become a cube. It is pretty easy. This is the shape key. And that's all for today about my tutorial on how to create a cube shape key for the cone or any shape. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.